He wrote a heartfelt article about Alex's determination, labeling him a true inspiration. Soon, galleries from around the country reached out to showcase Alex's work. His art touched people deeply, not just because of its beauty, but because of the incredible story that accompanied it.
Over the years, Alex's fame as an artist grew. He held exhibitions in prestigious galleries around the world, and his paintings sold for substantial sums. Yet, amidst all the success, he remained humble and grounded. He continued to inspire others by sharing his story and encouraging them to overcome their own challenges. Alex's journey reminds us that our biggest limitations are often the ones we place on ourselves. With determination and unwavering faith, we can conquer seemingly insurmountable obstacles. His story teaches us that setbacks and failures are just stepping stones on the path to success. The power of the human spirit can turn dreams into reality, no matter how improbable they may seem. So, the next time you find yourself facing a daunting challenge, remember the story of
the young boy who painted with his feet and showed the world that with perseverance, anything is possible.